Good day, Ade Lamidi here, digital marketer at justvideomarketing.com. In today's video, I am going to be putting together a tutorial on how to get hosting and also complete the WordPress installation for our niche site. So without further ado, I'm going to first of all go to Google and show you, and just do a search. Really, I'll do a search on the best WordPress sites just to show you what's available out there. So if I do best hosting for WordPress, let's see what Google says. When it comes to hosting, there's a lot of possibilities out there. At the end of the day, you need to really check out the different hosting companies, packages, possibly look for reviews and choose what's suitable for your business. So if you look at what we've got here, you've got this ad. This is HostGator, a very popular website. Bluehost is another one. DreamHost, Cloud, Next UK. Again, if you are in a different country, you might be getting a different set of search results. I've used HostGator before. They're a reasonable company, very popular, but I do not use HostGator now because I actually use a company called Liquid Web, and Liquid Web bought out another company that I used to use called Beyond Hosting, and that's how I ended up with Liquid Web. Liquid Web has been so good to me so far. I can't complain, and I run I've got the VPS, virtual private server package with liquidweb.com, and that allows me to host a bunch of websites, and they also give me a dedicated IP as well. If you're just starting out, you might want to check out one of their packages to suit your needs. Again, this is just my biased review of Liquid Web. You're free to go back and choose whatever hosting you feel suits your business. Again, when it comes to hosting, there's a lot of possibilities out there, so you just need to choose what's suitable for you. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I am going to be showing you how to host your WordPress site with Liquid Web. So once you've chosen hosting, what you need to do is go log into your system, and you are going to see an admin panel like this. An admin panel basically is where all the components that need to run your website is going to be shown. So like here I've got file manager, which is where all my website files are hosted, my email accounts, a lot of other bunch of stuff that you can use. But if you really want to know much more about the cPanel, I suggest you just do a Google tutorial and you find the relevant information. So for the purpose of what we're trying to do, because we're going to be using a WordPress based site, I'm going to click on WordPress and see what we have available. So I click on WordPress, and this automatically installs WordPress, which is what we need. And then what I can do is I can do install now, and here is my domain. But before I do this, what I needed to do was go to my because as I said in the previous video, I needed to point my domain name to the servers of WordPress, and in order to do that, I needed to log into my domain registrar. If you're using Namecheap for hosting your domains, then this will apply to you. If you're using GoDaddy or some other hosting package, then I suggest you check them out and see what they've got available. So once you buy your domain, you need to log into your server. Sorry, you need to log into your registrar. And once you log into your registrar, you should be able to see all your domains. Here is the one I registered, justvideomarketing.com. If I go to manage, I should see where I need to point my domain names to. Normally so as you can see, my domains are pointing to these two name servers. These two name servers are what I was able to pick up from my hosting. Each hosting will give you can either have custom name servers that are derived for you, or you can use a standard custom name servers, which all of the websites on your hosting package or your hosting company use. But because I've got a VPS, a virtual private server, I'm able to have a custom domain, which is this too. So once you buy your domain, like we mentioned in the previous video, you'll be able to change your name servers to whatever your hosting company give you. So once you've done that, you do a save, and that's it, really, to be honest. So once you've pointed your hosting to once you've pointed your domain names to your custom name servers, we are now able to come to the cPanel like I showed you before and install WordPress on our domain. So here is, they make it so easy for you now so you can just more or less follow the instructions and you'll be able to install WordPress. As you can see, it says choose the version you want to install. They give you a bunch of versions. 5.4 is the latest. Choose the installation URL. I'm going to be hosting WordPress on my root domain, and you can just name the site as just video marketing, and site description just video marketing. Go for it, and you can have an admin account, and I'm just going to change my username and password. So password as well. Then I can have an admin email and choose my language, and basically you're good to go. So what we can now do is I can point email is I can tell them where I want the installation details to go to, and I can just do install. It says it's going to take 3 to 4 minutes. Again, this is similar um, for all domain hosting companies. So if you have any doubt about how to successfully install WordPress, you can just contact your hosting company. Some of them will provide a service where they can do this for you if you are technically challenged. So as you can see, if I go to just video marketing, as you can see, we should have a basic as you can see, we've got a basic WordPress installation, and we're good to go. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how to basically install some plugins. Sorry, I'll be going through the basic setup and theme install. So we're in for some good, interesting info. So with that said, let me wrap up this video. We've covered how to find hosting and how to just install WordPress. Thanks for watching this video. If you've got any comments, please leave in the comment section. Again, this is a set of tutorials that I'm doing on how to set up a niche site. I would put a link to the other videos that I've shot so far, so that you can follow the tutorial from A to Z. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can follow my tutorials, as I'll be doing these tutorials over a set period of time. And also click the notification button so that I can notify you once I shoot these videos. Hope you've enjoyed today, and have a good day. Bye bye.